To 60. Your body doesn't move like it used to. Your digestion slows down. Your meals feel heavier. And sometimes, you spend more time in the bathroom than actually getting relief. But here's the truth. Constipation is not just uncomfortable. It's a warning sign. No, you don't need more pills. You need nature. Today I'll show you 5 powerful natural ways to get your bowels moving again, gently, safely, and without side effects. So stay with me, because your comfort matters. Why constipation happens after 60. As we age, our muscles slow down even inside our gut. Your intestines move food slower. You drink less water. You eat fewer fresh fruits and veggies. And sometimes, medications add to the problem. It's not your fault, but your body needs help. And the help doesn't always come in a bottle. Comes from your kitchen. Natural home remedies that really work. Let's fix it from the root. Here are 5 remedies, trusted by seniors, doctors, and even nurses across the U.S. Warm lemon water every morning. Before coffee. Before breakfast. Start your day with one simple drink. A glass of warm water, with half a lemon squeezed in. That's it. This simple habit wakes up your gut, hydrates your system, and softens your stool naturally. Lemon also boosts bile production, which helps food move faster through your intestines. Try it for 7 days, and feel the difference. Eat more natural fiber, not just supplements. Fiber is the broom of your gut, and after 60 we need that broom working every day. But pills aren't the answer. You need fiber from real food. Here are some of the best high-fiber foods for seniors. Cooked oatmeal, stewed prunes, chia seeds, 1 tablespoon in water equals magic. Cooked spinach, roasted sweet potatoes, ground flax seeds, add to smoothies or soup. Add 1 of these to each meal. Within days, your system starts to thank you. Move after meals, even a little. You don't need the gym. You just need 10 to 15 minutes of gentle walking after each meal. Yes, just walking in your yard, down the hallway, or in your local park. Movement helps your intestines contract. That means faster digestion and regular healthy bowel movements. No rush, no pain, no strain. Just movement and results. Use magnesium the right way. After 60, your body may not absorb nutrients as well. That includes magnesium, a mineral that helps your bowels relax. A lack of magnesium equals tight, dry, slow-moving bowels. Here's what you can do. Add almonds, spinach, and pumpkin seeds to your meals. Or talk to your doctor about a gentle magnesium citrate supplement. One small change, big relief. Remember, never self-medicate. Always consult your doctor before supplements. Create a bathroom routine, and stick to it. Your colon likes routine. Set a time each day, ideally after breakfast, to sit quietly in the bathroom. Don't force it. Don't rush. Just sit, breathe, and let your body relax. This trains your body to go naturally, without strain, stress, or delay. Over time, your body responds to that rhythm. What to avoid? Now here's what many seniors don't realize. Certain common habits actually make constipation worse. Avoid these as much as possible. Cheese and dairy-heavy meals. Too much red meat. White bread, crackers, and processed snacks. Dehydration. Drink 6 to 8 glasses daily. Ignoring the urge to go, it trains your body to hold and waste. And most importantly, stop holding stress. Your gut feels it more than you think. You're not alone. Let's be honest. No one wants to talk about this. Not at dinner. Not with friends. Sometimes not even with doctors. But millions of seniors in the U.S. are dealing with this quietly, painfully, every day. If this video helps even one person feel better, sleep better, live lighter, then it's worth it. You deserve to feel comfortable in your own body. You deserve relief without side effects. So start today. Start small. Start with warm water and a walk. And let nature do what it does best. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It helps more people find this life-changing info. And don't forget to subscribe, because we share more senior-friendly health tips every single week. Stay well, stay regular, stay happy. See you in the next one. Goodbye.